Model, 1989 Renault TRAFIC 1300D diesel long wheelbase, HIROOF professional HYMER motorhome camper left-hand drive LHD. Body, silver, white, camper. Mileage, 85,025. Engine, 2068 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts fine, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Unfortunately, oil is mixing with the coolant, so the head gasket will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.